Alright everyone, we're back on the road. I didn't film us arriving because I had to black down the A30. Oh, there's a few bikes. So yeah, we're off to Winkliegh. There's a cafe apparently at Winkliegh. So I've got Saddlebag 73 in front of me. Nick, Mr. Forgotten, apologies, and Dave leading. So we're for a little bimble. It's actually good to get out with a little crowd for a bimble. Saddlebags on the V-Strom 650. Cracking little bike that is. I know because I used to own one. So I'll put a picture up somewhere. Oh, policeman. Policeman. The moors are looking particularly nice today. It's not very warm though, it's only 11 degrees it's saying, so heated grips are on. Oh, this policeman's coming back. I don't know what he's up to. But dead ahead of me is Saddlebag 73 on his V-Strom 650. Next is Nick on his Royal Enfield 350 I think. Mr. Dave, is it? Apologies if I got that wrong, on his Yamaha Virgo, and then we got Dave on the R1150T BMW. So yeah, Dave's leading us out. He knows roughly where to go, and then he said engage his sixth sense of finding cafes with his nose to find the actual cafe, because no one actually knows where it is precisely. I'm not sure about Saddlebag's jewellery as at the end of his end of his bars. I don't know what that's about. I'll have to ask him. Jonesy's Cafe. Busy. Nice. Must be the MG's Owners Club. Jonesy's Club Cafe.
Indeed. Have you been here before?
No.
How did you hear about this, Jeff? Just through a job that came into work just up this way, and somebody said, "Oh, it's by Jonesy's Cafe." Oh, my ears picked up.
Hello. Okay, that was a nice little stop at Jonesy's Cafe. I had the bacon, cheese and hash brown bap. Very nice. Thoroughly recommend it. Not that busy. It looked really busy, but it's not. So I think we're heading down to Bude now. I'm still not sure about these, Jeff. Still not sure. Excuse the hair. Right, we're at North Conrwall Motorcycles. We're stopped to stretch our legs. They've kindly letting us in, so we're going to take a quick walk around, probably window lick first, and then go inside and have a look around.
Blue as well, like Emma.
There's no sign of a 450 in there.
There we are, all proper window shopping here, aren't we?
We've spent millions.
Oh well.
No, I can't. They had the 350, the new 350s when me and Nick came out last.
Yeah, it's one over there.
Those pipes on that,
Yeah.
pipes, the way they sweep. As far as I'm aware, that's unique to the 404,
Is it?
isn't it? Do you know? Of any different?
Well, 404 is the only one. Is it?
Yeah. That's what I thought. That's
Yeah. Single, yeah. Shame you didn't make the 6, eh? Their highest ever revving single, and the first water cord.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that a 450?
Yeah.
Oh, here it is.
Everyone's wetting themselves.
There it is. Okay, so that's the end of the video. I'm not going to film myself going home. I'd just like to say thank you to Saddlebags, Nick, Mr. Dave and Dave for letting me join them today. It's been really enjoyable. Thanks guys. Let's do it again soon. That's it for now. Adios. Bye bye.